Hello, hello, how's it going? We are today in Agia Pelagia and we want to show you what's going on here. Yeah, Daniel is enjoying the beautiful sea. How is it going?
It's so good to be here again after a long time.
How does it feel, the water? Is it cold?
Is cold.
Yeah? It's fresh?
Cold. It's fresh and cold and clean.
So let's take a walk. What do you think?
Yeah, let's take a walk.
Let me check my coffee. What's standing there? Take the GoPro, please.
Okay. And how do you feel?
Good. It's a very nice day. I just forgot my cup today. I feel a little bit guilty.
Next time we will remember our own coffee cups. It seems like they have been preparing.
Yeah, we saw some people cleaning in this part, but the rest seems to be almost ready. Because, yeah, they're going to open, right? We heard about the 5th of May.
5th of May?
Yeah. That the outside areas of the restaurants and cafeterias, so to sit, they will be open then again.
Well, that's a good news.
That's so good.
That's a good news.
Also on the, 10 days later, or some days later, the tourists will come. The season is open, so it's a pretty good thing that they can sit outside, enjoy here, and everywhere.
Look how clean the water is.
I guess it's a paradise to dive here, huh?
Yeah. So clean water, and I think they have a diving center here.
Here or in Liguriya in the next, I'm not sure.
There is
Here was
something.
also one, no?
Yeah, there is something.
Yeah. It's not everything prepared. I have to take the sand a little bit away.
It's because of the storms.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is from the winter.
Yeah, from the winter storms.
The beach in the house. Here they do. There they are coloring.
Do you think they brought it for the beach?
It's very possible, huh? It's very possible that they are going to mix it to give it a lighter color. Hmm?
Yes.
And there are some stones at the beach, maybe they cover it to have it more comfortable to walk and to lay.
Yes.
Very possible.
They are doing a good job.
Yeah.
Good work.
Yeah, I'm going to warm my shoes on this metal stuff, right?
And for those who are watching this video for the new time and try to learn about the Agia Pelagia, this is kind of the center of Agia Pelagia. We have ATM here and we have some shops, supermarket, and it seems like most of the things are closed, but hopefully they will open, hopefully.
Oh yeah, here's the diving center. Now I remember, yeah.
Diving center. Explore the underwater world. Divers Club Crete. Party.
Yeah. Body diving school.
Hit the like button if you like this video.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe also.
Yes, don't forget.
miss anything what we explore with you together.
Yes. They should subscribe.
Yes. It's pretty fresh in the schedule, you know that? In the sun it's very nice.
It's chilly.
Yeah, it's chilly now.
Yeah, it is chilly. Do you remember last year?
It is a good place.
This place was completely full
Good place.
and one party was going on here.
Yes.
Yes.
I think there's every evening party going on.
Yeah.
They have very good music.
It's a good party place.
Yeah.
This is what you see, or the seats where you can sit.
Yeah, I mean, maybe you cannot imagine now. Maybe you have to watch the other video to imagine. And you have to come in the summer to see it by yourself. It's a pretty good place. Very cool.
And we have also drone video of Agia Pelagia, which I will put the link in the description. You can watch that as well.
So he's going out for fishing, huh?
Yes.
This guy as well. Nice.
Nice, nice.
Here was a very cozy corner. You remember with our pillows?
Yes,
No?
I remember.
Yes. Yeah, the winter seems to hit this coast here very hard. It was a stormy winter.
Yeah.
Now. It was.
What a beautiful place to be.
Yeah. They have some notes from the storm. They're hanging together.
Let me ask you something.
Ask me.
Are you a diver?
Yes, I'm a diver.
Okay, so what certificate do you have?
I have the open water diver, and I made 2 other courses, so I think now I'm a specialty diver, something like that. I also made the deep diving and the bouncing course.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it means that you can dive.
I can dive, yeah.
So it means we can have diving videos as well from Crete.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay. Do you think I can learn diving?
Of course you can learn diving.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If you don't have a problem with your ears or lung or something, you can learn diving. Yeah, and if you're not scared of the deep of the sea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not scared from the sea and I don't have any problems. Mika, she is a professional diver and I will also learn to dive, and then we will make underwater videos from the beautiful beaches and places where you can also dive. So that's the plan. Hopefully we can achieve that.
Yes,
Yes.
I hope so. And then let's go diving here because it's a very beautiful place, huh?
Yes, it's a very beautiful place. Let me show this beautiful landscape of Agia Pelagia.
I would like to explore one last thing.
What you would like to
There
explore?
was this swing.
The
Do you
swing.
remember?
Yes,
There
I
was
remember.
that swing in that tree
Yes.
with the most beautiful view. Let's find out if this still exists.
Let's find that out. Meanwhile, it's worth mentioning the existence of this beautiful church here. It's so beautiful.
Not existing at the moment. Please bring it back. It was exactly here.
Yes.
See that? There's still this 2 places.
Yeah, the place is still there.
That. I don't know if you can imagine that, but I found it the best place for a swing. Yeah, so maybe the wind took it or somebody hanged it away for the winter. I hope they hang it back, huh?
Yes, it was right here, and it was very nice to find yourself.
Yeah.
And many people were trying this.
Yes.
Taking photos and videos.
They were standing in a line here. Okay.
Let's go
so,
further. We can explore more. Careful with this.
Yeah, very beautiful backpack, Samir.
Thank you so much.
Nice color.
Dankeschön. If you are coming to Agia Pelagia, I highly recommend to walk this path which we walk, and to come to see this area. It's so beautiful and also perfect for photography. Let's go a little bit further. Carefully, carefully.
Yeah, you should be also not scared from the height here. Scared of... Oh yeah, I'm still learning. So... Yeah, that small little beach, huh? The hidden beach is here.
Yes, very beautiful beach, very calm waters.
Yeah, how to get there? I think the only way is that stairs, right?
Those stairs?
Yeah, those stairs, and then you go around that.
Yeah.
And you have to swim a bit.
But I see people swimming from there.
Yeah.
I saw people last year swimming from there and coming to this area. Yeah. Okay, so this was it for Agia Pelagia. We hope you like this video, and if you like this video,
Don't forget to hit the like button
and subscribe. Until the next time,
please.
peace.